step, planning to bicycle to go and buy some ingredients for pancake. And get ready guys, I'm going to show you today Mary's world's easiest. Yeah, I'm on my bike now and I want to bike to my nearest grocery store. So I decided to take my bike because first of all I like biking, and driving takes more time than biking. So enjoy my neighborhood. I'm finally here. Didn't even take more than 3 minutes. So this is the grocery shop or store that I usually come and to purchase my daily requirement in my house. Karibu, welcome today. So today we'll be spending time in my kitchen where we will be making pancakes. So but before I make pancakes, I just thought, okay, I think you'd also want to see how my old kitchen looks like. So I'll start here. This is my fridge. Yeah, I open this, you'll see what is inside one time. This is my freezer. I actually have 2 freezers. I think this fridge came with a very small freezer, so I have one extra. This is my kitchen cabinet. tool there. This is of course my oven, and I have actually a lot of enough kitchen cabinets. I have down here and up there, as you can see. But here, this is my washing machine where I wash my dirty utensils, and that is where I throw my garbage. So not that interesting. So this is my kitchen bank. We say bank in Norwegian. In English is, yeah, you can correct me. So you can see that, and here. And these are all the ingredients I'll be using, plus the gadgets that will be helping me under the whole process. And this is a very nice, this is the board I use for many things. Information from school, I get present from my kids every day, so I hang here. There's a lot of papers, some I just keep in my file. So whenever I make food, I love flowers. I like looking at the flower here, and I love fruits. Fruits in my house, you'll always find fruits. And the good thing with this kitchen, me being African, I don't know how it feels, I like working here and looking outside. As you can see outside, I can follow some things. No, but I'm not so much into other people's business. I just think it's the openness. Following when the kids coming home, you see them and say hi. Yeah. And you can easily close it again. I like it being closed like that for more privacy. So karibu. Yeah, and these are my ingredients. 2 dl flour, 2 dl milk, 2 eggs, 2 tablespoons of sugar, and a quarter teaspoon of salt. That's it. No need for butter. So let's get started. Let me put on my apron. I don't usually use it, but I want to use it today because whenever I use flour, I like using it. I don't want flour destroying my clothes. So today it's Mary the chef. Actually, I learned on science in school, but this recipe I was taught here in Norway. to use this, but I'm not going to use it. I like using my electric mixer because it goes fast. So this is the only part where I use butter in my recipe, and that is I use it to grease my pan.